In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from OneDrive to your PC. This is a simple and straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a seamless transition for your files. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This is essential as OneDrive is a Microsoft service. Head over to the Microsoft website and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a variety of useful apps and tools. Next, locate the Apps Launcher. This is typically represented by a grid of small squares or dots in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking this will reveal a menu with all the Microsoft apps available to you. From this list, find and click on OneDrive. This will take you directly to your OneDrive page, where all of your files are stored in the cloud. Once you're on the OneDrive page, navigate to the My Files section. This is usually found in the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on My Files will display a full list of your documents, images, and other file types stored on OneDrive. Take a moment to browse through your files and decide which ones you'd like to download onto your PC. Now that you've identified the files you want to move, go ahead and select them. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each file. If you're moving multiple files, you can select them all at once by holding down the Control key while clicking each file. After selecting your files, look for the More Options icon. This is often represented by 3 dots or a hamburger menu right next to your selected files. Click on it to open additional actions you can perform. In this drop-down menu, click on Download. This will begin the process of downloading your selected files to your computer. Depending on the size and number of files, this may take a few moments. Alternatively, you can transfer files directly through File Explorer. Open the File Explorer on your PC, and in the sidebar locate your OneDrive folder. Once you've found it, navigate through the folder to find the files you want. Simply click and drag these files from the OneDrive folder and drop them into your desired location on your computer. This method is particularly useful for those who prefer a more hands-on approach. And there you have it. Whether you use the download option through OneDrive Online or the drag and drop method in File Explorer, you can easily move your files from OneDrive to your PC in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.